Hello and welcome to another VRTK tutorial video. In this video I'm going to show how we can set up the PseudoBody so it ignores pushing us away from a table when we try and lean over the table, and also if we were to pick up an Interactable and push it into our body, stop us from immediately zooming away. Please consider becoming a VRTK patron. There are plenty of membership levels to sign up at, and it really helps to fund these videos. So we're back in the scene where we set up our PseudoBody and we prevented it from going into any of our geometry. But that can create us a problem, as we've seen when we try and lean over the table to pick something up, it will actually push us back. And also if we were to pick up the interactable object and push it into our PseudoBody, that collision will actually cause our PseudoBody to continually repel against us, so we fly around the scene. So we actually want to fix those two things. We can fix them relatively easy. What we need to do is go to our PseudoBody, and on the PseudoBody there is an ignored game objects property. And we're going to add something into here now, so I'm just going to add a new element to the list. And the first thing we're going to do is just add the table game object. And what that will do is ignore this table collider from our PseudoBody, so we can walk right through this table and it will easily allow us to lean over the table without having any pushback. The second thing we want to do is make sure whenever we grab something, it's not actually interfering with our PseudoBody either. And we could add every interactable object to this ignore game objects list, or we could put all our interactable objects in a game object and then add that parent game object to here, and that would ignore them all as well. But the PseudoBody is smart enough, so if we just add the interactors to this list, anything that we grab will automatically be ignored. So if we add two new elements and then go to our tracked alias, aliases, and then the left and the right controller alias, we've got our left interactor and our right interactor, and we're just going to add those to this list as well. And what that will do now is it'll ignore both of the interactor colliders from colliding with the PseudoBody, but also anytime we grab something and pick it up and move it into our body, it will automatically be ignored from the PseudoBody as well. So let's jump into the scene and we can see this working. So now we're in the scene, we can see I can actually lean into the table now and it's not pushing me away. And if I pick up the pig and move it into our PseudoBody, it's no longer pushing us around the scene. And there we go, we've set up the PseudoBody now so it can ignore certain colliders in the scene and stop us from having those unwanted collisions. I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please consider subscribing to the YouTube channel. Leave any likes, dislikes, comments down below. Please consider becoming a VRTK patron, and I'll see you for the next video. Thanks for watching and bye for now.